Namaste, Interstellar to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, friends. As you see it, I'm on one of the New York ferry. I just boarded it and I'm going to take you guys all the way to Far Rockaway today. Super excited, guys. Today, super excited to show you guys. We'll be going to Far Rockaway today from Astoria. So we just boarded the ferry from Astoria, stop right here.
Downstairs where you must have your face mask on. If you're upstairs, you're free to do whatever you want with your face.
So
Approaching Wall Street Pier 11. Ladies and gentlemen, this is now going to be the final stop on this ferry. Everyone get to reboard this ferry. Sorry, must be the
So friends, from here I need to take a transfer to go to Far Rockaway.
exit from up top. You can't exit from up top. We want to open all exits. Once again, Pier 11 Wall Street, final stop. If you want to exit from above, we're going to open all exits.
Oh, it's from the other side. Hello. Is this the ferry to Far Rockaway?
Right over there.
Okay.
1:15 is departure time.
Thank you. Sorry, you mean
Visit RW, Rockaway Route.
okay. So I have to. Okay, thank you. See friends, it's not time yet. So Far Rockaway route is here. So 1:15 is the departure time, what they said. So I just have to wait here. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys here. This is like Wall Street area, which I will take you guys there one day, but not today. So 1:15. So let's see what time is it. 12. Wow. So I have a lot of time right now. So let me just show you around here while I wait for the thing, because it's not going till 1:15. So let's look at the schedule here. So this is what I need to take. See, Rockaway. So weekday. So next 12, it's like 12. See, 1:15 is the next ones which I'm going to take it. So this is the whole schedule that you get to see it all together. You know, this will be very helpful. I'm going to take a picture of it, friends. See friends, all these people are going to on the other side of East River side. See, look at the people are all boarding right now. See, this is super exciting. Lots of people, friends, lots of people. I mean, it's a beautiful day, so super excited to be here and share this with you, friends. was for East River, which I will have to take it back later when I go home. So just look at the people, how many, lots of people, friends. And if you see, that's the helicopter ride, you can take it also. Look at that, friends. This is really a busy station. Just an absolutely beautiful day, friends. Don't know how to express it. Just going to have some snacks right here while I wait for my next transfer. It's not going to be for another 1:15, so I have like half an hour right now to take the another transfer. So in the meantime, I'm going to have some snacks.
Where you guys heading? Bay Ridge? Guys, where you guys heading? Wall Street? You guys can hang out here for now.
So friends, change of plans. Instead of going to Far Rockaway, we will be going to Governor's Island, since there's a next ferry going in another like 10 minutes or so, going to Governor's Island. So, and that is also one of the places that I wanted to take you guys. Sorry, the helicopter noise was too loud. And like I said, like I'll be taking you guys to Governor's Island instead of Far Rockaway today. The reason behind is I'd already missed the transfer and I have to wait another half an hour to 45 minutes in order to get to that ferry. But there's a next ferry in another 10 minutes. It's going from this downtown all the way to Governor's Island. So that is also one of the places I wanted to take you guys. So we will be going there today instead of Far Rockaway, but I will take you guys to Far Rockaway next time. All right guys, let's go to Governor's Island, and I will have to stay in line. See, this is the Governor's Island line right here. All the people who are here, I think it's going that way, so we will be going with all these people. So friends, we're boarding to go to Governor's Island. So that's the boat. small history
Friends,
about
I end my
Governors
blog
Island,
here for
friends.
this episode
I'm going
1
to
for
post a
Governors
link
Island.
below on
Please
the
stay
blog.
tuned and watch
But
the next
this is what
episode
it
of
says
Exploring
here
Governors
on the
Island,
Governors
since the
Island.
video was getting too long. And I
Governors
hope you liked
Island
my
is for
blog. If you
everyone,
did,
and we
please do
welcome
like, share
you
and
as
subscribe.
you are.
And friends, stay safe,
welcome
share
to
lots
Governors
of love,
Island, friends.
happiness and peace to you all.
And
Thank you
this
for
is
watching.
actually board where you can look at the map here and decide where you want to go. So this is the map of Governors Island.